Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to repost on LinkedIn. Reposting on LinkedIn is one of the easiest way to stay active and share useful insights with your professional network. While scrolling through your LinkedIn feed, you might come across a post that really stands out. Maybe it's a helpful tip, an industry update, or an idea worth discussing. When that happens, simply tap the repost button below the post. LinkedIn will give you two options. The first is repost, which shares the content exactly as it is with your network. The second option is repost with your thoughts, which lets you add your own perspective before sharing. This is usually the better choice because it gives context and shows your voice. For example, you might highlight a key takeaway or ask your audience what they think about a topic. Once you add your messages, tap post, and the content will instantly appear on your profile and in your network's feed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.